Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Chrome profile and reset sync preferences, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Profiles. Identify the profile you wish to uninstall. Hover over the profile and click on the three dots that appear. Choose Delete from the options presented. Confirm the deletion process by clicking on Delete again in the pop-up window. Close the Profile Management tab once the profile is deleted. Next, navigate to the settings by clicking on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on You and Google on the left sidebar. Under the Sync section, click on Manage what you sync. Here, you'll see various sync options. If you want to reset sync preferences, click on Reset Sync. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click OK to confirm that you want to reset your sync preferences. This action will remove your sync data from Google's servers. However, it will not delete the data from your local device. Log out of your Google account if you wish to completely disconnect. Click on Sign Out at the top right corner of the settings page. You have successfully uninstalled the Chrome profile and reset your sync preferences. Now, you can create a new profile or log back in if desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.